Instructions. This review test is a follow-up for Chinese Measure Words Episode 8. Below, or check out the information card above in the right-hand corner. If you haven't watched it yet, or you're new to Chinese measure words, we suggest you watch that video or learn measure words first. But of course, you may continue this test no matter what. Next, you may start taking the test. You get 3 seconds for answering each question, but you may pause any time you want before the correct answers pop up if you need more time to think. Some multiple choice questions have more than one possible answer. Take it easy and have fun!
一盒巧克力，一盒巧克力，巧克力 means chocolate. 一袋蔬菜，一袋蔬菜，蔬菜 means vegetables. 一盒牛奶，一盒牛奶，牛奶 means milk. 三串烤肉串，三串烤肉串，烤肉串 means barbecue meat skewers. 一堆零钱，一堆零钱，零钱 means coins or changes. 一盒香烟，一盒香烟 or 一包香烟，一包香烟，香烟 means cigarettes. And important remarks. Cigarettes are normally packed in small paper boxes wrapped with plastic wraps to make sure they are well sealed. So either of these two measure words is commonly used for cigarettes in this kind of packaging. 一串葡萄，一串葡萄，葡萄 means grapes. 一栏空格 or 一排空格，空格 means blanks. 一串手环，一串手环，手环 means bracelets. 一箱柠檬，一箱柠檬，柠檬 means lemons. 一盒豆腐，一盒豆腐，豆腐 means tofu. 五行字 or 五排字，字 means words. 一栏数字，一排数字，一列数字，数字 means numbers. Important remarks. These three measure words emphasize on different aspects. 栏 emphasizes on counting the columns. 排 emphasizes on counting things are lined up straight no matter which direction. 列 emphasizes on the up to down blanks in spreadsheets. 一串香蕉，一串香蕉，香蕉 means bananas. 五篮子，五篮子 or 五排字，五排字，字 means words. Important remarks. Lan's direction is from up to bottom, but 排 doesn't have a certain direction. 排 mainly indicates the same things they are lined up in more or less straight line, but the line is not limited to which direction. 一列火车，一列火车，火车 means train. 一叠纸，一叠纸，纸 means peppers.